It has since been changed to Baranof Island. It has small, sharp pines, but it is the largest spruce in the world. So fittingly, it's the state tree of Alaska. The western hemlock are similar looking trees with the droopy tops. The Tlingit people found this wood handy for making utensils and combs. The red alder are the green leafy trees you see. Its uses include smoking salmon. After the summer harvest, much of the food was preserved and stored. As you venture down to the Sky Bridge, we have Gold Belt Tram Gifts. This is truly one of Juneau's finest gift shops. It features a gallery of genuine artifacts, so go on in and admire the quality work, or at times visit with a local carver who does much of his work right there in the gallery. And while at Gold Belt Tram Gifts, you can pick up your souvenirs or a variety of other Juneau mementos. The Timberline Bar and Grill overlooks a beautiful view of the Gastineau Channel and the Inside Passage. You can enjoy tasty Alaska seafood featuring halibut and crab, as well as a large variety of beverages. Next to the restaurant, we have the Chilkat Theater with a complimentary film called Seeing Daylight. It's an award-winning documentary based on the Tlingit culture here in southeast Alaska, and it features many local natives. It plays at the top and the bottom of the hour. It runs about 18 minutes. We have a tram car running every 5 to 10 minutes, so if you end up missing one, don't worry. It's a short wait. Once we reach the top, we will be unloading onto the Sky Bridge. The Sky Bridge has windows all the way around for you to enjoy the beautiful view. All that we ask is that you please don't put any of your valuable items outside of those windows, because if they drop, they're gone.
As we dock, please stand clear of all 4 doors. They will be opening. We'll be exiting out these 2 doors right here that are marked exit right in front of me. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask any tram employee up here. They're all full of information. Everybody enjoy your time here at Mount Roberts.
Thank you, Robert.
ऊंची गली पड़ती
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.